Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima cabin air filter. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. You will need a new cabin air filter, which typically costs around $15 to $25, and a small flathead screwdriver. Changing this filter regularly, perhaps every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, ensures cleaner air inside your car. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's access the filter. Begin by opening your glove compartment and removing everything inside. On the right side, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently unclip it. Next, carefully squeeze the sides of the glove box inward. This action releases the two plastic stops, allowing the glove compartment to swing down completely. You should now see the rectangular cabin air filter housing directly behind it, often secured by two clips. With the housing exposed, locate the two small clips on the filter cover. Unclip them and remove the cover. Now, carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Your new filter will also have an arrow. Ensure this arrow points downwards when you slide the new filter into the slot. This ensures proper air filtration. Finally, let's put everything back together. First, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Next, lift the glove compartment back into position, pushing the sides inward slightly to re-engage the stops. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. You have successfully changed your cabin air filter. This simple task, taking about 10 to 15 minutes, provides cleaner, fresher air inside your Nissan Altima.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.